Second sum. I have already drawn the figure over here. It is given diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. So diameter is 26. So the radius will be half of the diameter. And that is how much? You are getting it over here, 13 centimeter. So your radius is how much? 13 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 13 is 13. So your radius is 13. So now it is given that the diameter and the length of the chord is 24 centimeter. So the length of the chord, that is AB is a chord. So how much it is? 24 centimeter. So this full length AB. Then they have given, find the distance of the chord from the center. That means this distance. You have to find out OP. So you have to find out the value of OP. This OP you have to find. But the radius is how much now? 13. So this is your radius. So this radius is 13 centimeter. Now over here the first thing is you will write down. So what we have to find out over here? OP. So we have to find segment OP. I'll just write down. We have to find the length OP. This I put a question mark. So first you'll write down O is the center of the circle and AB is the chord of the circle. Next over here you will say join segment OB because we need one triangle, so that we have to find out the value of OP. So join segment OB. Now you write down OP is perpendicular to AB such that A dash B dash B. That means P is between A and B. So A dash P dash B. So when you write down this OP is perpendicular, I told you boys the first theorem. Then it is P is the midpoint of AB. That means PA is equal to PB and that is half of AB. So your AB, now your AB value is given how much? 24. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that means PA equal to PB and that is equal to 12 centimeter. So here this value PB is 12 centimeter. So in this triangle, right angle triangle, you got now OB is 13 and PB is 12. So now you'll write down. Now immediately I told you, whenever you write down PA is equal to PB, that is equal to half, you have to write down the reason. Perpendicular drawn from the center on its chord bisects the chord. So this you have to write down. So now in triangle, which triangle? OPB. You can write down in right angle triangle because it's a right angle triangle. You can also write down in triangle OPB, but then you have to mention the angle OPB is equal to 90. That you have to mention. So I am writing in right angle triangle OPB. So when you mention this right angle triangle, then there is no need to write down major angle OPB equal to 90. Already we have written. So by Pythagoras theorem, that is OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square. Now put the value. Your OB square is 13 square. OP square we have to find. PB is 12 square. Now we need to find out OP square. So it will be 13 square, and this if you bring, it will be minus 12 square. Now, what is 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. So you get how much? 9 minus 4 is 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So I'll continue here. Therefore, OP square is equal to 25. So OP is square root of 25 will give you 5. So your OP is how much? 5 centimeter. So final you have to write down, therefore the distance of the chord from the center is equal to 5 centimeters. So that last statement you have to write down. Therefore the distance, so OP we found out. Therefore the distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. So this sum is completed. Now I'm going to do the third sum. The third sum is radius of a circle, meaning one circle, which has a center that is O and AB is the chord. So, radius of the circle is 34 centimeter. So, here your OB is what? The radius. So, how much centimeter? 34 centimeter. And the distance of the chord from the center. Distance of the chord from the center. So this is the distance. That is your OP. And the distance of the chord from the center is 30. Find the length of the chord. Meaning we have to find AB. The full length we have to find. So find AB. This is the chord which we have to find. So solution. Now how to find? Now already whenever that OP value is given, that means it's already perpendicular. So first thing is, you can write down, I told you, if you mention all these values in the same figure, then there is no need to write it here. But you have to specify. If you have not written, then you have to write it down. Now, I'll write down O is the center of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. And now, OP is perpendicular to chord AB such that when you write down perpendicular, then you write down such that A dash, P dash, B. When you are writing OP is a perpendicular, meaning PA is equal to PB, and that is half of AB. This you know it. But now over here AB we don't know. We have to first find out the value of AB. So, in that case, what we will do here is, you will write down in right angle triangle OPB by Pythagoras theorem. Because we cannot find out directly AB. First we have to find out PB. Now we will write down over here OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square. Now your OP square is 30 square. PB square we have to find. OB square is 34 square. Now what we do find out? PB square. So it will be 34 square minus 30 square. I'll show you the easy way how to do the calculation. This is A square minus B square. So you know the formula. It is A minus B and A plus B. Right? So it is 34 minus 30 into 34 plus 30. So it is A minus B into A plus B. So this will be 4. This indicates multiplication sign bracket. And this will give you 64. Now we have to find out PB, not PB square. So it will be square root of 4 into 64. That will give, what is the square root of 4? Is 2. What is the square root of 64? It is 8. So 2 8s are 16. So therefore your PB is 16 centimeter. So your PB is 16. I'll write with the red pen. So I got how much? 16 centimeter. So how much is PA also will be? 16. So in that case you will write down AB is twice of PB and that is equal to 2 into PB. What is your PB value? 16 and that is how much? 32 centimeters. So we have to find out AB. What is that? 32. And what's the reason over here? Perpendicular. Already we have written no, OP is a perpendicular. So now here perpendicular drawn from the center on its chord bisects the chord. I hope you have understood this. So now final statement is find the length of the chord. Therefore, the length of the chord is equal to 32 centimeter. So this is your third sum. I hope you have understood now this sum how to do it.